Is your own party.
Now that question should be asked to him.
No, he
No, but
openly
you have-
spoke.
Openly, sir.
openly
Now you
said.
answer the
so
things.
ask him whether it is right to intrude in somebody else's constituency.
So is Mobin interfering, trying to interfere with this?
He already intruded. He already intruded by
So you
saying.
know what's happening.
No,
So
you have raised
would
Do
the,
you think it's right?
No, but how are you keeping
you are
quiet?
you have
I'm
raised the
not
issue to the
keeping
party
quiet.
leaders.
I'm not keeping quiet. My people are with me.
So have you spoke to
He's
the
exposing himself and his mind.
have you spoke
See,
to the party functionaries? Party
I'm
functionaries.
going to have fixed a meeting. I will be speaking.
Okay.
Now, I think all of us as human beings, we have to have certain principles in life. No matter how great I may be, I have to adhere to certain principles. And if we don't, we tell the public the kind of human beings we are. That's
One
it.
more issue in your constituency is law and order.
Yeah, because about that suicide.
One activist attack is
Which activity?
The Sankhwale RTI activist.
Oh, yes. Yes.
What is your say
I
on
think that was a shocking incident. Okay? I don't know what the issue is, but whatever the issue, nobody has the right to physically assault another human being, and that too by putting a mask. And why are you putting a mask? Because you're scared to reveal your identity. So you know you're doing something wrong, and yet you do it. That is the behavior of cowards and people who have no principles in life. It is totally condemned what happened to Narayan Naik, the RTI activist. And I think the police have taken the right stand, and the issue will be investigated.
दोन अजून मिळून आहे अटॅक करते
Two people are still absconding.
Yes.
So
So
are you going to take that issue to government because it's very serious?
the government has already taken cognizance of what has happened. Okay, and the case I think is handed over to the crime department. So government is following the issue. Okay, and definitely the culprits. Everybody knows who the culprit is. I mean, let us not pretend we know the culprit. We know the links of the culprit also. Okay.